Have you ever wondered what the Earth's magnetic field would sound like? The European Space Agency has released this audio. The audio is concerning the sound of a solar storm hitting the Earth's magnetic field. We are aware that the magnetic field saves us from harmful cosmic radiation and charged particles stemming from solar winds. But the sound results in an unnerving rumble and is actually pretty scary. Scientists at the Technical University of Denmark used ESA's satellite data and converted them into sound. The rumbling of Earth's magnetic field is accompanied by a representation of a geomagnetic storm.